make for the summertime using grapes. When you have those kids at home from school and they're needing just a little treat, come on and let's get started. And we're gonna make us today an easy, simple little snack. Now you can use red grapes or green grapes, whichever kind of grapes you have. I've already washed and dried these grapes. So now we're gonna take and we're gonna put a little toothpick in each one, just so we can dip it in our caramel sauce. Now what I'll do is I'll only use just a few toothpicks, and once I get them dipped, I'll take those out when they dry and do some more. So now we're going to take these caramel bites. We bought these at Walmart. I imagine you can get them anywhere. And we're going to take and we're going to add just a few of these to our bowl. Not many, just for this few. And we're going to melt this in 30-minute cycles until it's all melted the way you want it. Now just take them out and give them a little mix as they're melting. But these need around another 1 minute. Okay, once you get it the way you need it, we're going to take and set our bowl right here. Take our spoon out. Try not to make a mess. We'll just set it to the side. And then once your grapes have dried from where you washed them, just take your grape and you're going to dip it right in to your caramel sauce. And just try to give it a little swirl until you get half of your grape coated. And now we're going to take that, and I've got some peanuts right here, and we're just going to dip our little grape right in to our caramel sauce. We're going to set them over here to cool. Now when doing this, you do have to work pretty fast because your caramel sauce will start to cool down and it won't stick to your grape. And now you do have to work pretty fast, just like when you're making caramel coated apples. Now you can buy these little caramel bites, or you can even buy the little squares and open the packs up yourself. I'm going to let these dry, then we're going to reuse those same toothpicks. When making these, you may have to reheat your caramel every once in a while also. Okay, y'all, a couple of them I didn't dip in the peanuts because I ran out. But these right here, you have to keep them separated too because they will stick together. So I've got them on 2 different trays. But just keep them separated. And then all you have to do is just pick it up. Or you could put your little toothpick back in them when you serve them. And you've got a caramel dipped grape instead of apples. So if you've got little ones, you might want to give this a try for the summer. It's easy and simple, and it only just takes a few minutes. And there's one thing about it. You do have to keep reheating your caramel every once in a while, because you can see in here on these little grapes, your caramel does start to harden on you. So you just have to reheat it as you work. But they're good, they're simple, and they're easy. So if you like our video on these caramel grapes, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.